tree. B for bee, buzzing happily. C for cloud, floating in the sky. D for dew on the leaves nearby. E for earth, where flowers bloom. F for forest, nature's big room. G for grass, green and neat. H for hill, a mountain treat. I for island in the sea. J for jungle, wild and free. K for kite, flying up so high. L for leaf that flutters by. M for moon, glowing bright. N for nest, cozy at night. O for ocean, deep and wide. P for pine tree, standing with pride. Q for quail, hiding in shade. R for rain, nature's cascade. S for sun, shining so warm. T for tree, home on a farm. U for umbrella, plant in the wood. V for vine, climbing where it could. W for wind, blowing the leaves. X for Christmas tree on snowy eve.